Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to include the date submitted column in your WordPress comment section, step by step. This is super helpful if you want to track when each comment was posted, stay organized, and respond to your audience more efficiently. And don't worry, this is a quick and easy guide that anyone can follow. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress website. At the top right corner, click on Login. If you want a faster and more secure way to log in, just hit Continue with Google. Now, choose your Google account and you'll be taken straight into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Comments. This is where all your website's feedback and discussions are managed. Here, you can approve, reply to, or delete comments. Basically, everything you need to keep your community engaged. Now, look at the top right corner of the comments page. You'll see a button called Screen Options. Click on that and a drop-down panel will appear. Inside this panel, find the checkbox labeled Submitted On or Date Submitted. Simply check that box to enable the column. After that, click on the Apply button to save your settings. Now, scroll down and you'll notice that a new column showing the submission date is visible in your comments list. It's that easy. You can now see exactly when each comment was posted, making moderation and follow-ups much more efficient. And that's it. You've just learned how to include the date submitted column in your WordPress comments section in under 2 minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.